Hi, my name's Peter. I'm from Altadena, California, and I'm a third-year environmental studies and economics combined major with a minor in education. While I have made friends through the more traditional ways of going to events or going to classes, the real way I've really built community and made friends is through my jobs. I work both as a tour guide and then also as a residential assistant, and so those jobs are very social, and so I'm working with my coworkers a ton, and that I've really just built strong relationships with them through that, and we often hang out both on campus and off campus. So one of my favorite memories of my time here at UCSC is going on hikes with some of my friends. We've gone on some pretty epic hikes, and what's great about the campus is that there's just so many trails on campus, so we're just surrounded by natural land that you can go hiking on or running and all that. One of my favorite classes here at UC Santa Cruz was Environmental Studies 24, General Ecology. It was taught by Andy Kolskowski, and it was really cool because instead of the traditional in-classroom discussion sections, we got to really go out of the classroom into the field and use the resources that UC Santa Cruz has to offer. Like, we got to go to the UC Nature Reserve that's at the top of our campus. We got to go to these rooftop greenhouses that we have on campus, and also the Ken Norris Center, which is like UCSC's Natural History Museum, and we got to look at different skulls of different animals. My one piece of advice for incoming students is to get involved. Getting involved may look differently depending on who you are, but there's a lot of opportunities on this campus. So being involved has really helped me build a community, and then also just find opportunities that I didn't even know existed. I've gotten a lot of good work experience, but also I've found out a lot about resources on campus that I had no idea were there before.